You were helping us with our set here a second ago. I can't resist it. Just
I
seems
think
like
it's just everywhere I
it's
go.
innate.
Listen,
Yeah.
I'm reworking Home Goods when I'm in Home Goods. Okay, it's
I
like
know.
you cannot hide from me. Target, Home Goods, whatever. Like I'm gonna rearrange your shelf as I'm walking by.
So for people who don't have any clue where to start, but they want to get their home a little bit more elevated, maybe they've been watching the NFL Wives shows or they've been watching the Dallas Cowboy
Yeah.
cheerleaders and they've been inspired. Where do they even start?
Well, they started Home Renovation School, of course. Founder of Home Renovation School.
Okay.
I teach you my exact process from start to finish of designing and building a house from the ground up. One of the most important things and the easiest things that you can do is change your paint color. So it's really all about paint and about color, and going with something very nice and neutral gives you a nice backdrop. The other tip that I would give is declutter. Clutter just makes a space feel chaotic and uncomfortable. So if it's something you're not using every day, I would get rid of some of the clutter. So by cleaning out that clutter, it just creates a whole new feeling to your space. And then the other rule that I will share is always design in odd numbers, in threes. So if you're putting something, let's say a coffee table or something, think about 3 elements. Think about 3 books with maybe a plant and then maybe something else, an object next to it. So odd numbers, right? And again, you want to think, you want to surround yourself with color and objects and things that have meaning.
Yeah.
So don't buy meaningless stuff. Really try and surround yourself with things that maybe bring back a memory. Like, right? So if you are shopping at Home Goods, something that you're drawn to, and then kind of relate, why am I drawn to this object or this thing? Well, it probably is bringing back some type of a memory and making you think of something. If it's good and positive, you want to put that in your space. Because it is all about surrounding ourselves with things that make us feel good and bring joy, right? That's what building and designing a happy, healthy space is all about.
Yeah, and I love that you talked earlier about the healthy life. That's something, that's a lifelong journey and it's a lifelong learning pursuit. It's one that I definitely have been on myself, just, coming from an athletic family, being a former athlete myself, just wanting my home to feel as healthy as possible, using the natural materials over the plastics, those kind of choices that just take some training of our retraining, I think, of our thought process. It's almost like going on a diet.
It is. So the 3 elements are air, water, and light. If your air is good, you are good. Light, we can do that through our windows, and sometimes the color on our wall is too dark, or we're covering the natural light, or maybe we need to open up and bring in some more natural light through a new window. That can make all the difference in the world. And then water. Clean water. It's really important that we have filtered water. If you have those 3 elements in your environment and you're conscious of low, zero VOC toxic paints and furnishings. So I do love to purchase here from local artisans and products that are made right here in the United States that do not have all these harmful chemicals and things like that, because what does that do? That harms your air. Yeah. We're breathing that every day, and we've been slowly making ourselves sick and not even knowing it. A lot of autoimmune diseases and things like that are really, to me, they start with our environment. What's outside our door and what's inside our door. And we can control what's kind of inside, right? So
such good advice, Julie.
Yeah.
From pom-poms to design.
I love that. Wait, that could be my book, my next book.
I love it. Yeah, well, I know you and I have so much fun with it too. And I think that was part of why I really wanted to do this show, was to make design fun, to make it playful, just like sports are playful. Yes, there's those elements that are competitive and things like that.
Yeah.
But really design, I mean, I know for me, it just brings me so much joy.